Welcome back, fifth graders. It is Monday, October 12th, and we are back into our original rotations again, our second time through our classes, through our groups. So hopefully you are ready to learn and get back into the swing of math and science again. With math especially, well, I guess both subjects, we are really kind of changing our tune quite a bit. If you remember back to our math from 2.5 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago now, we were learning about multiplication, factors, factor puzzles, proportions, ratios, all that kind of stuff. Well, we're shifting gears pretty significantly for this second unit, guys. We are doing a lot more geometry during this unit. So today's lesson is all about area of quadrilaterals, and there's actually 2 lessons. So again, make sure you are watching those videos before you are attempting the exit tickets, guys. And remember that you still have the opportunity to ask me questions if there's something that doesn't make sense from that video. So please make sure that you are taking advantage of that, okay? I will make myself as available and get back as soon as I can to you if you have an answer. For science, we are switching out of cells. That was our unit right as you left. And now we're switching into something called classification. And that's just simply categorizing organisms into different categories, different groups based on mostly internal structures. But you're going to find as we go through here that once we originally break these things out into their kingdoms, that we start to get more specific with how we break them down. For example, animals, we break things down by do they have a backbone, do they not have a backbone. Plants, we break them down versus do they have tubes, vascular tubes, or do they not have vascular tubes? Those kinds of things as we move forward through this unit. So again, kind of similar. We're still dealing like cells. We were dealing with, in most cases, living things. Same type of thing here. We're still dealing with biology. We're still dealing with living things, but it's a little bit more large scale, I guess would be the best way to say it. More easy to see these things, at least in a lot of these cases, without a microscope or the ability to just view and observe things. So hopefully it's an enjoyable unit. We'll see. Couple other things that I'd like to talk to you about during this video. Please make sure you continue to watch this video. I know not every time that I put a video out like this, guys, it's earth-shattering news or something that you couldn't have done without, but in a lot of cases there will be things that I put in here that are very important for you to identify. And one of those things, or 2 of those things actually, are this week. One is that it's only a 2-day week because of conferences. So the first thing is remind your parents to sign up for conferences if they haven't already. They are via Zoom. They are going to be virtual conferences this year, which is very new for all of us. I've never done that with parents before, so we'll see how that works. But love to see and meet all of your parents and tell them how wonderful and great you are doing. But the second thing about that being a 2-day week is that our cohort days are kind of switching a little bit. It's been a while since we've had a non-5-day week. So just to remind you now, cohort 1 will be with me today, Monday, but then you guys will flip-flop. And normally those students who are here on a Thursday and a Friday will be here on a Tuesday this week, so we can keep it balanced and keep it even. So only going to have you guys in class this week 1 day, okay? And there is no instruction on Wednesday. It is conferences, so I will have those Zooms being set up with your parents on Wednesday as well. So don't feel like you need to check Schoology. You can definitely check it to see if there's anything you got missing or retake opportunities, and that goes all the way back to the last time we were together, guys. We'd like to keep that and get that grade book as clean as possible. So just be aware of that moving forward. Have a great day, guys. Again, I know it's always tough. We're going to start up a new routine again and start to cycle back up again. So hopefully it doesn't take us too long to get back into the routine of a new teacher again and figuring out how those things work, okay? Number one thing for you to remember is to ask questions if there's something you don't understand. Don't just get frustrated. Don't just give up. And don't just assume that you're supposed to know it, all right? Have a great Monday, and I look forward to seeing you all either via Zoom or in person in the next couple of days. Bye.